HR managers take the lead in the management and maintenance of the organization's people. It's an exciting field with many different paths that you can take over the course of your career. Most HR jobs are either generalist jobs, in which the HR employee works in many different areas, or specialist jobs, in which the employee focuses on specific disciplines of HR. Such specialists also have responsibilities related to the management of diverse employee groups within the company. Staffing includes all of the things that we need to do to get people interested in working for our organizations, going through the recruitment process, selecting the best candidates who apply, and getting them settled into their new jobs. Next, we have the training and development discipline. This is where education and training functions occur in organizations. A modern organization won't get very far without consistently training and developing its employees. Next is employee relations. This specialty covers a wide array of items associated with management and employee relations. It involves such things as coaching, conflict resolution, counseling, and discipline of the workforce as needed. It also involves leadership and team building efforts within the organization. The labor and industrial relations specialist works with the laws and regulations that control the organization's labor-related relationships within their workforce. This is also the area that manages any relationships with the organization and unions. HR managers who work in this area might be involved in union votes, negotiations for agreements, collective bargaining, handling grievances, and other labor-related issues. A compensations and benefits specialist might find jobs in compensation planning, salary surveys, benefits management, incentive programs, and more. This area deals with how we reward people for the work they do for us. Rewards come in many styles and types, and the compensation and benefits specialists help decide the total compensation package that the organization will use to attract and retain the best possible employees. We also need to protect our human resources. In the safety and security discipline, a manager might work in the area of occupational safety or health and make sure that we don't injure our people or cause them to become sick because of exposure to substances they work with. This discipline also includes fields such as stress management and employee assistance programs, which help employees cope with the demands of their jobs on a daily basis. And finally, this function works to ensure that employees are secure from physical harm inflicted by other workers, outsiders, or even acts of nature. In the ethics specialty, you'd bear responsibility for seeing to it that the organization acts in an ethical and socially responsible manner. You would work on codes of ethics and also make sure that employees live by those codes, such as by maintaining ways in which employees report violations of ethics, also known as whistleblowing. There are many different functions and areas that an HR manager can work as part of their organization, so it's pretty much guaranteed that you won't get bored in your role in 21st century human resource management.